guys, good to see you again. I hope you like to see me again. I'm back in the office and today I have the Mainpex tool, the manual tool with me. I want to show you how it works. First of all, you have to cut the pipe, preferably with one of our magnesium handy pipe scissors. Second of all, you have to put in the ring. Next step, the expansion of the pipe. It's a one-step expansion. Then put in the fitting, and this tool moves the ring from this place to that place quite easily. You have these sliding forks here. The sliding forks are marked with an F or with an R. The F stands for fitting, the R stands for the ring. So the fitting side should be here, and then you insert the fitting. And then for the tool, this leg stays fixed and this one is moving. There is a mechanism inside which makes it easy to move without a lot of force. So for your daily work, it's quite easy to operate and you have no stress. Final destination here, and everything is right pressed. Thanks a lot for your attention. I wish you all the best. Keep healthy, stay safe, all the best. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.